Hey everyone, I'm sharing with you how to make pincushion, everyone. Even though I don't like them, but a lot of people want to. So here I have the sock that you don't use. You can buy a new sock if you want to, but this is very new. So you can take about 2.5 and not so like this much. And the rest here you save it. You can do some other thing later on. So you can use a plastic cup. You see the plastic cup and the first ring down here. Go and cut that out. So simple to cut. I don't want to cut on the top. That just go right there. It's okay. Sometimes you cut and it just crack it open like that. That's fine. Like that, and then go on around and trim this. Everyone, I just want to make sure that you all know that I'm just taking it easy. I am okay. I am just need to listen to the doctor. Take it easy, because the more I do is like the more pains I have, so I have to take it easy. I'm okay though. So nice of all of you. Here I have the thick paper. You can use the cardboard if you like to. So trace the circle from this cup. The fiber, whatever you call, right in here. A little more. Put this one right on here. Well, I'm gonna do this first. I'm gonna go, and you first bait instead, you're gonna put your needle in here and then go back in the same line that you put it in, and then you go on to pull like that. Because if you keep doing without doing that, when you pull, it's gonna pull the whole thing out. So now I'm going back to the same spot that I coming in. So I'm gonna push this down. Hold your finger right there just to pull the fiber in, and then I'm going to pull this. Okay, when you pull it, you're going to make sure everything is nice and round. Wrap this around first. Don't worry about whatever down here. Just want to make sure everything up here they look good. And that is that. I'm gonna come right out here, get the loop right here, and then I come right out. That's it for that. It's perfect shape, nice and round for you. To fill fabric, you can use any color you want. I'm just sharing with you this one I have. Okay, using this one, and I'm going to trace this circle out from here. I'm using this light color purple. And hold your hand on the top so things don't move. Okay, let me just share with you how it's go. So when I place this circle right here, it's going up to here. So you have about 1/2 inch right there that you need to fill. So this one right here, you're going to take about 1/2 inch extra all around. Now it's like that. You're going to use glue, fabric glue, or whatever glue you use. I'm going to glue the outer side of the light purple onto the dark Go all around. It's cute, very cute. And it'll take you a few minutes to do. It takes me longer because I have to share with you what to do. But if I do it without a camera, it's quicker. After that, you're gonna do the cup now. So you go, I have some marble in here. I just want to make sure that sometimes the marble fall down the cup and it's not then falling down. I just add a little glue there and then add it around here. Just want to hold the cup straight for me. It won't knock down. You can get this from a Dollar Tree. That's the way I got it. I got it for something. I don't know what. It's good enough. I go ahead and on top of here add the glue. Put it right on top of the cup. Make sure you press this down so it can stay down. Look at that cupcake, everyone. A lot of yeast, so it rises up. I'm going to fold this way, and I'm going to fold this way. I just want to make sure the cup is right in the middle right here. I'm going to add the glue, so I'm gonna place the cup right on it. There you go. So now the side that I fold earlier, this one right here, and this one right here, this one right here, and this one. Go and add the glue right into it, and I'm going to pull this in. Pull that in. Add the glue on the cupcake side, and then pull this one in. Hold on to that. And then on this side, do the same thing. You're going to add the glue. And right here where you mark, pull that in. And let it stay there. And then on this side, you're going to do exactly the same. Go right in here in the middle, and then pull that in. And now you have 4 sides like this. And now you're going to bring that 4 side, you're going to divide it. So bring this in. And then bring this in. It's just like a cupcake liner. Okay, so add the glue right in the between. And then bring this in. Like so. Okay. And then the next one. Go right in the middle. Bring that. Hold on to it. See? So pretty. You hear that sound? My husband is cooking. And then go on this side, do exactly the same thing. Get this one. Pinch only this side in. See how easy that is? Do exactly the same thing. Get this one right here and then slowly push it in. Look how beautiful that is. So I'm gonna do like the circle. And you know, like how you get in the chocolate, it's like melting around and around. Whatever you want to make, okay, everyone? So you can do something like that. Whatever you decide to do. I don't know why I do there. I should do over here to save the thing. But that's okay. I can use that little thing for some other thing. Alright, so I'm gonna go and cut this. You know, when I read the comment that when sometimes you send me a comment, I read it, it was so emotional. I didn't know I have a lot of love here for me. I know you do. We've been here together almost 3 years or more. and you are just like my family. But when I read the comment, everything I share, you don't miss anything. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm doing. So for all the people, they don't look at my video, they don't watch, so they don't know what I'm saying. So now I'm gonna put the chocolate on top of here, everyone. Isn't that look so delicious already? Good thing I don't like sweet, otherwise I'm gonna buy a cupcake right now. I'm gonna cut about, I would say, half an inch and 4 inches long. I'm using the file. Okay, and then using the same thing, same size, I'm gonna cut. Same exact size. Okay, cut this here, and then I'm going to add the glue here. Put one on top of the other. Put it together. You roll this around. Look at this, so cute. Make another one, whatever color you want, and then decorate around the cupcake here. Okay, so everyone, I have made 2 rolls of this, and then so you can go ahead and add it around your cupcakes. And I also have this embellishment. I got it online. It comes with like a lot. I'm gonna place right in the middle of the cupcake, and then place it in here. Beautiful. Okay, and then this one right here, you can decorate around. If you want to, you can leave it like that, and you're done right there. But you know how I aim. I like more. Never enough. So I'm gonna go on one side here, add this one, and then the one that you, the end is together like that, you're gonna face it together like that, and then add it right on the bottom. Hold on to it so it can stay down. Ta-da! Very easy. If you're watching my video, you'll be able to make your own. I try to make everything is so simple and easy for people to follow. And also, if I can share with you something online and you don't need to purchase anything, more than happy. So like that. Very simple. Look at that, everyone. The pincushion is done, and I hope you're making this for sale, for your friend, for a gift, and for even for your sewing room. This is so beautiful and easy to do too. Stay safe and take care, everyone. I hope you make this, and please let me know how it's come out. Stay safe and take care. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support my channel, and also click on the like button too to support my video, everyone. Watch the video in full if you can to help my video minute retention, everyone.